Nature has a quiet way of healing tired plants, if you know where to look. Today, I'll show you how to make a powerful, all-natural fertilizer using just 3 simple ingredients from nature's pantry. This remedy is ideal for reviving weak, yellowing, or stagnant plants, whether they're in the garden, greenhouse, or indoors. Let's get started. In a large container, add 2 teaspoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee is rich in nitrogen and organic matter that supports healthy root and leaf development. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It helps balance soil pH and discourages fungal growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic naturally repels pests and boosts plant immunity. Pour in 1 liter of hot water to help extract the nutrients. Then let the mixture cool completely. Stir well and strain the liquid into a clean container. To use, mix 100 milliliters of this concentrate per 1 liter of water. For a 5-liter container, that's 400 to 500 milliliters of concentrate. Water your plants at the base or spray onto the leaves once a week. Store any leftover fertilizer in the fridge for up to 30 days. This simple, eco-friendly mix strengthens roots, revives leaves, and helps your plants grow greener, stronger, and more resilient, naturally. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden wisdom.